we have extended the legacy of Career Point to Career Point Gurukul. So Career Point Gurukul you can consider as a new age boarding school with coaching facility. So whatever facility you get a regular coaching at Career Point, you are bound to get at Career Point Gurukul. But beyond that, the environment which we are providing to you is completely academic, safe, secure, stress-free, and all the issues are being taken care of by the management. So you need to just focus on study and your development.
In Gurukul campus, the students not only learn their curriculum, they not only flourish in their vision, in their dreams, but also we emphasize upon how to become worthy global citizens by inculcating in them the values, the core values of our Indian tradition, that is hard work, devotion, dedication, commitment to the cause. Career Point Group has provided the best available facilities in Gurukul campus. Along with that, we have best faculty to boast of.
See, all the faculty members at Gurukul are the regular faculty members of Career Point. So we do not compromise with quality of education. Whatever you get at Career Point, the same faculty member teach the student in the campus also.
Coaches, and they ensure that the students get the best out of their spirituality.
Then you will find a lot of playground facilities. There's a football ground, there's a cricket ground, there's swimming pool, there's squash court, badminton facilities, indoor facilities. So it's a complete life. It's a town in itself. So you can say Career Point Gurukul is academic township where all academic activities are well taken care of, and at the same time the student is given opportunity to build his personality.
We have provided separate hostels for boys and girls where they feel at home. The rooms are very comfortable. We have provided all the amenities. We have got entire machinery of around 100 people working for the comfort of the students. Like we have hostel wardens, we have hostel superintendents, we have got housemaster culture who extend pastoral care to the students. Round the clock, the ambulance is there in the campus, and the reaction time to it is only 5 minutes. So the entire machinery is working for the welfare of the students. One unique feature in Gurukul campus is that we have provided facility of residence to the parents. The parents who want to actually stay with their wards, supervise them properly, they can stay in the campus with all facilities extended to them. They feel at home, they are a part of our family.
You will find, guest house for the parents. If a parent wants to stay with child for some days, he can come and stay in the campus. So, for us, each child is unique, and many times students are not able to ask questions, during the lecture because of the hesitations. So, to address the needs of the student, we created a concept called doubt counters, where our faculty members remain available for individual support. At doubt counter, faculty member addresses challenges in one-to-one manner. So it's a kind of private tuition. See, we have seen in past that many times students wants to take a lecture again for various reasons. Sometimes they fail to understand in the class, sometimes they miss the class, and sometimes they wish to study the chapter before they actually attend the class. So considering this requirement, we have developed a video lecture library in which we have recorded the lectures of our star faculty members and have provided those lectures in our lecture library. So any students can go there and can take any lecture of any faculty member as and when required. So it helps to understand the subject in much better sense, and also students can learn on his own pace.
The parents feel very comfortable and very confident because we have provided the CCTV cameras and it is covering the entire campus.
There is security staff. Students cannot leave the campus without permission. Similarly, nobody can enter into the campus without permission. So it's a completely safe environment. We have a regular counselors available, psychological counselor available, with whom the students can interact anytime, and if any kind of stress they have or any kind of concern they have which they would like to share with us, they can share with us and our counselors, and we, based on the case to case basis, we advise them. See, our ultimate goal is to keep the student motivated during the preparation, which will not only affect his success in the examination but also ensure that he will be successful in life. So ultimate goal of the institution to make each individual successful in life.